So they stripped away the plaster in this beautiful room, and the homeowners saw all the brick and said, I love it, I want to keep it. So what does that mean? It means there's no 2x4 walls, there's no room for insulation, no room for ductwork. But it also means that there's no insulation. The sun can beat on this brick and it acts like a radiator. And that means more gain, more solar load to the building. Now they also opened up the ceilings, and look what they found. Perfect beams that they want to keep. Now that means if they're going to leave them exposed, we can't run ductwork inside the joist space. So for us, this beautiful building is an HVAC nightmare. But I think we have a solution. And the solution for us here is a mini duct system. We've used them before, and Brad Schwartz is helping us with this installation today. How do you deal with this heat?
It's rather warm in Charleston. Learn to love it.
So why is this a good choice here?
Space. We are conventional systems, and we do a lot of them. We're limited. Our air handlers are larger.
Yeah.
Our supply trunks are larger.
Yeah.
This system would take a 14-inch supply trunk versus this 7-inch supply.
Right.
The runs would be 6 to 7, 8 inches.
Yeah.
These are 2-inch.
That's great.
So we have time constraint. Our size is everything in here in these old homes.
Good.
We don't have rooms to build big closets and take up spaces.
Right. The way the system works is there's one return per system. So there's a return that sits here in the second floor hallway. Air comes up through a filter, through this flexible return. Now this has got a sound attenuating material on the inside, comes across this first section, which is a cooling coil or a heating coil, depending on what season you're in. The way it works, there's a refrigerant coil right here. Now with a mini duct system, you got less air across a colder, deeper coil, and that means the net is that you remove much more humidity. Humidity is a big deal here.
Huge.
And then once you get that water, you got to deal with it, so you got a condensate trap, and you got a secondary safety pan so you don't flood the house below it. The blower unit is what pushes it out to the ductwork. Inside this module right here is a very smart motor. It's an ECM blower motor, and that pushes just the right amount of airspeed into this one-size supply trunk. So you're pressurizing the entire main at the same time, and the key to make it quiet is these sound attenuators. And that's really the key to the system. You can see inside here, they're 2 inches on the inside, and it's a special spun nylon material to really act as a muffler to make it quiet as a mouse. But now we have to connect the attenuator to the main trunk. Put that on. A conventional ducted system works on the concept of diffuse and throw. Air comes out gently out of a register and just falls, if it's cooler, to the floor. This system works by aspiration. It's a stream of air coming down and blending the rest of the air in the room together. So it means if you put these in the room, you have no more than a 2-degree temperature difference side to side and top to bottom. So then the only question is, where do you put them? And so we want to make sure that we don't blow them on top of anybody, like over a bed or a pillow. So in our case, we're going to be right here underneath that knee wall. And there's all kinds of choices in what you'll see. Here's the conventional finish right here, and that would normally go against a plastered ceiling. But in the floors, which we'll have on the first floor, there's all kinds of different wood finishes. There's pine, there's some oaks, there's a chrome. They also make a brass. Sometimes in tile, we'll see people use this, where they'll put this down inside the tile floor, or they'll use this as a plaster bead with a plastered ceiling. They also make this. This is a slotted outlet that can fit into a tight sidewall. So if you had a 2x4 wall, it can come out through here. Here's the conventional finish, but they also make outlets in all kinds of woods. So you can really make this thing go away, and you can be comfortable.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.